Hello guys, welcome to the 20th session of the API.ai tutorials for beginner. In this session we will learn about the rich messages. Till now in a response we are sending the only one message for the response. It may be selected randomly from the set of statement. In this session we will see how to send the multiple response as well as how to send the rich messages which include the card, image or a quick reply. Let's switch to the browser. For that I am going to create a new intent. Click on the create intent and use the rich messages for the intent name. Here user will say the show me rich message, and for response, and from response we can write the hello as well as the how are you. If you write both of them here, then it will pick up only one randomly from those. So we need to write the hello only here and click on the add message content button and select the text response. It will add the another text response. Here you can write the how are you. If you want to send the multiple message in a response, then you can add those. Not that you can add up to 10 message in a sequence. Click on the save button. I am already open the Slack. So let's send the show me rich message. Here we got the hello as well as the how are you. We can also send the specific message to the specific platform only. For example, if you want to send the hi from the Slack to the only Slack user and hello to the all of the users, I am deleting the extra text response. Click on this plus sign and select the Slack and enable the Slack integration. Add the message content, select the text response and write hi from Slack and click on the save button. Now I am going to send the same message again. Show me rich message. Here we got the hello as well as the hi from Slack. Now I am sending the same message from the Skype. Here we got the only hello. We are not get the hi from Slack. Now I am going to send the images from the our bot instead of just text. For this I am deleting this text response and add the image. I am copy the URL to the image in which hello is written, paste it here and save those changes and send the same message. Show me rich message. Here we got the hello text and image that we are set. Now I am deleting it. And now I want to send the card which include the image, title and the description as well as the some buttons. For that click on the add message content, select the card. I am going to create a card in which I will display the logo of the API.ai and give the link to the official site. So paste the URL for the image and in title writing the API.ai and the card subtitle will be the create your own bots and add the button with the title visit. On the button you can add the link. So I am copying the API.ai URL and paste it here and click on the save button. Let's switch to Slack and send the show me reach message. You can see that we got the card with the title API.ti, and subtitle text is create your own bot, and the image as well as the link to the visit. Those details are as we are provided. We can also add the quick response to this. Quick response is just like the suggestion to the user to send this message. If user want to send it, then he or she just need to tap on it. They does not need to type the entire message. For example, if you are created a bot in which you are displaying the nearest order detail in the card one by one, here user need to send the show me next message to see the next card. Instead of this, you can also add the quick reply along with your card. I am going to delete this card detail and add the quick reply. Here I am going to send the request to the our some intent. So write the want to see some demo. User will say the sum of 30 and 40. Let's click on the save button. And now I am going to switch to the Slack and send the request to the our intent. You can see that we got the want to see the some demo, and the button contain the text sum of 30 and 40. When we click on it, here we got the error because we are not setting up the interactive messages in the Slack app. So click on here and enable the interactive messages. Here we need to paste the request URL. For that, open the integration page, open the Slack setting, and copy the request URL and paste it here and enable the interactive messages. And now I am going to send the same message again. And now I am going to click on the button. This time we got the answer. Like Slack, you can also set the custom messages for the other platform too, such as for the Google Action, Facebook Messenger, Skype, Telegram, Kik, and the Viber. Let's see what we are learning in this session. First of all, see how we can send the multiple response. Then we send the specific response to the only specific platform. Then see the what is rich messages, and see the commonly used rich messages, which include the image, card, and the quick reply. Here is the example of those. For image, we need to give the image URL. For card, we need to give the image URL, title, description, text, and the link for the button. And for quick reply, we need to give the title and the execution command that user may say. And for card, we need to send the message and a query that will be executed when the user click on it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me.